To pay with Affirm on American Airlines. Start by visiting the American Airlines website and searching for your desired flight. Once you have found your flight, proceed to book it by clicking on the Book button. You will then be redirected to the payment page where you can select your payment method. On the payment page, click on the More Payment Options link and then select Affirm from the list of available options. You will be redirected to the Affirm website where you can apply for financing or log into your existing Affirm account. If you are a new user, you will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, phone number, and date of birth. You will also need to create a password for your Affirm account. Once you have provided the required information, Affirm will perform a soft credit check to determine your eligibility for financing. If you are approved for financing, you will be presented with a range of repayment options, including the loan amount, interest rate, and repayment term. Review the terms and conditions of the loan carefully before accepting the offer. Once you have accepted the loan offer, you will be redirected back to the American Airlines website to complete your booking. Your Affirm loan will be used to pay for your flight, and you will receive a confirmation email from American Airlines with your flight details. It is essential to note that Affirm financing is only available for flights that cost $100 or more, and the loan repayment term can range from 3 to 12 months. Additionally, interest rates on Affirm loans can range from 10 to 30%. So it is crucial to review the terms and conditions of the loan carefully before accepting the offer. By following these steps, you can easily book your American Airlines flight using Affirm and enjoy a convenient and flexible payment option. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of the loan carefully and make timely repayments to avoid any late fees or penalties.